now let's go on. Let's go on to our class. Okay, yeah. Well, our course is divided into two parts, just like last classes. So at the first classes and first and second, so I will talk something. We will discuss something, and after 4 o'clock of Beijing time, and that is you will do some little practice, and so just like last classes. So today our topic is something about the JavaEE and the prices. So we should know something about the basic things. Last class we have discussed the Java basic, so you can create a Java project. And this class we will discuss something about the front and a web page. So first you need to maybe install a tools. We call the name that says visual Visual Studio Code. So you can download by yourself. If you cannot download it, you can pop some message. Okay, okay. I speak loudly. Okay, so first we will discuss something about the front end of the web pages. So you need to install a tools named Visual Studio Code. I'll show you. Well, you can do it at your free time. Okay, so so this is one thing. So our this class is task. Tasks. Our tasks. So tasks is one thing. One thing is that install the tools named Visual Studio Code. Well, I'll show you. So like this way, Visual Studio Code. Well, I'll show you. I'll show you. Yeah, that's good. So Visual Studio Code. S-U-A-L. Well, I open it. So this is one thing, and another is that since you have finished the Java environment, you should install Tomcat. Install Tomcat. Well, Tomcat. I'll show you Tomcat. So Tomcat. Well, the front end of a web page, that means a static web page, a static page. So static page, you can use a browser to open and see the results of the scripts of the page. It always including, I think, three aspects of the front end of web pages. Well, I'll show you. So one thing is we call the HTML. You should understand the HTML5. That means hypertext markup language. So that is HTML file. we call it is a hypertext markup language. So this way, is a system used to mark next for World Wide Web page in order to obtain column styles, pictures, so everything. Well, so this is one thing. This is one thing. HTML5. So it's something like you cannot hear me, and anybody else can hear me very low. Okay, sorry. Well, I very low. What about now? Okay, maybe the network things. Well, let me check. Let me check. Okay. Oh, now it's okay. 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 Okay, maybe the network. Okay, it doesn't matter if you have anything. You just tell me. Just tell me. And I have already recorded it, and I will send these notes when I finished my talk. Okay, so this is HTML file. So can you see my screen? Can my sharing screen? Can you see my? Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you for your response. Okay, so that's you should understand what's the HTML5. So this is one thing. Another thing is that is CSS. CSS. Have you guys studied the HTML or CSS or JavaScript or something about the web page design before in your previously courses? Have you ever learned something about the web pages? Can anyone tell me? No? Okay, okay. Oh, that's okay, okay. Well, so that's our course. Okay, thank you for your response. So that's new, maybe new for yourself, but it's very interesting. It's very interesting. So another is we call it the JavaScript. JavaScript. So JavaScript, there's lots of we call it the frame set, like we call it the alternate. So alternate JS libraries. So you can use any of this. The one is the JavaScript itself. But when you use JavaScript itself, you will write a lot of code. You will write lots of codes, and then you can use others. You can use others the jQuery. You can use the jQuery. Also, you can use others like the maybe the Bootstrap. Bootstrap, and also the React. Maybe like write like this. Well, let me check. Okay, let me check. Okay. Okay, wait a sec. So like is Angular AngularJS. So this is one thing. AngularJS. Another is that React. So React. So React. And also the Vue. This yes is very popular. So if you have interest in the web design, you can look forward for this frame set of web page. So you can use one of it. That's will be okay. So always we use the JavaScript or the jQuery. Okay, so that is one thing. JavaScript and the CSS. CSS means okay, the CSS means we call the we call the cascading style sheets, a style sheet. So that is the CSS. So, so it's just what it looks like over the web page. Well, so this is one thing. So this afternoon, our course focus on the front end of web page. So you should know something about this. Well, so one thing, you should install a tool named Visual Studio Code. So this is one thing. And another, you should install the Tomcat. Install or run Tomcat, and deploy a web page, localhost, that we call 88. Oh, so that's another tasks. You do it by yourself. Well, I'll show you things. Show things. So the Tomcat. Tomcat is what is like this. So that's a Tomcat. So that's a Tomcat. So then you need to, I think you can maybe design your resume or something. So you can try. So design a web page, a page of your resume, or yeah. Well, what? Pardon? Or you type on the WeChat group. So you can use other tools. So I suggest you can use you can use the Visual Studio Code. You can download it. It's free. VS Code, Visual Studio Code. So you can design a web page of your resume, or maybe something you interesting. Maybe some introduction of something, anything. Like maybe like
okay, let me see. Can we use IntelliJ instead of sure? Of course, you can use IntelliJ. Well, because IntelliJ are not so maybe not so convenient like the Visual Studio Code, because there are the tip that means when you type the beginning characters of a variable name, and the Visual Studio Code maybe give you some more mention, in more in introduction something. Well, I'll show you. So you can use any tools, or you can use you do not need your course. You can just use a text editor. So that's okay. That's okay. So just design a web page. Web page. Any page. Any page. So like maybe anything like maybe like a movie, a hobby, a city, so anything, so anything. Just design a web page. Well, I'll show you. So first we introduce something. The first is the HTML file. So now let's do our things. Design web page with HTML file. And in Visual Studio Code or IntelliJ IDEA. So okay, so that's it. Well, first we start our here. Here is the this is we call the Visual Studio Code. Like this way. So this is a basic things. So I hope you should first you should know something about the page. You should know something about the script. Then we follow the GSP, the servlet, the database, the MyBedis or Spring or something the back end things. So we step by step. So this week you just know something about the web page design. You can show a video, you can show a picture, you can show some text with different styles. Well, I'll show you. So this is what I have used: Visual Studio Code, VS Code. This is VS Code. Okay, then we should design page. So first thing is that we run Tomcat or start Tomcat. So start Tomcat. So start Tomcat is saying yes, your classmates. Some of your classmates maybe know something. Well, you can use anything. The important thing is that you should understand what the languages means, what the functions. Okay, so first thing is you should start a Tomcat. That is one thing. Okay, I start. So that's the. Let's see. So to start Tomcat, you must first configure the Java environment. For example, Java and JavaEE commands, just like the last class, can be used. So this is his conditions. This is the conditions. Okay, so we need to start the Tomcat. Tomcat. Tomcat is a folder. You just unzip it. Well, I'll show you. So here is the Tomcat. Tomcat. I open the path. Open the path. Open the path is here. You just find the bin. You run. You double click. So how to start this? Double click. Or just click. See, click this way. There's files. There's a files. We called is starter up. Starter up. Not this way. Oh yeah. Start here. Start not this way. Start BAT. This way. Okay. So you just double click this. So start BAT. I'll show you. So it's Tomcat. That's a Tomcat, and when it opens this window, you just remain it, not close it, not close it. So there will that is a server start up in something. So that's the Tomcat. That is a Tomcat. That is a Tomcat. So that's a Tomcat, and remain it, not close it. So remain it open. Remain it always open. Remain the window. Always being shown. Okay, so that's the Tomcat. Well, we can check it. When we start the Tomcat, we open a browser. And we type the localhost. If everything goes well, so you can see it. This is Tomcat. This is a Tomcat. So this is very interesting things. Okay. Well, so you can check. Type like this way. So how to say this is one thing, start Tomcat. Another thing is check Tomcat. So check Tomcat is that open like this way in the browser, and you can see it. You can see it. Here you can see this. You can see this way, Tomcat. Yeah. So that is steps. And then we will show a emoji on this web page. Well, how we design. First, I think. Then you need to create a folder. So create a new folder. Create a new folder. And well, so where is the folder is? I think you should in root or web apps. Let me see. Here is our Tomcat. So this is a deploy thing. That means Tomcat makes our computer is a web server. So it's just like the post office or something. So or a shop. Now you have open just like you have open a company. You have open a shop. Then other people can buy something from you. So other people can see the web pages from our address, our IP address. Well, so let's design. Let's say root web app. Let me see. Okay, so here we create a new folder, and this we call it the demo. Today is 9/18. So we create a new folder here. I delete lots of this. It doesn't need it. Okay, I delete it. So you create a new folder and Tomcat So create a new folder like this way. In root folder, in root of Tomcat installations are install installation path. So like this way, show you. So maybe I create a new demo 980. So like this way, I'll show you. Yeah. So maybe too much things. This way. So like create a new folder. So this is one thing. Create a new folder, and then we will use our Visual Studio Code. Or you can use other things. There's lots of things like attribute or so the same thing. Because there's lots of tools. So then we open the folder. Or open the folder. The folder of demo in VS Code. So I just in short VS Code. Okay, say it. Yeah, you can type your name and your student number in the WeChat group, and also other. When you finish your homework, you just put your homework snapshots picture on this WeChat group, so I can collect it in this WeChat group. If you send it just in privately one-to-one, maybe I will miss something. So you just put all of the things in the WeChat group. So I can check. So that's maybe inconvenient for me. Okay, thank you. So that means just like the homework, you just put your pictures and paste on this WeChat group. Well, So we open the VS Code. So that's very interesting things. Very interesting. So how we use it? How we use it? So now here is a file. You just see this open folder. Open folder. Since we have created this folder before, so you open the folder in the VS Code. In the VS Code, like the menu, you type the menu file, and the open folders folder new FOL. Yeah, that's good. So open folder. So it's a very interesting thing. I think I'm sure you will love it. So love it. Okay. Open it. Open folder. And then you choose the demo. Choose this demo. So this is path. We have chosen this demo. So this is open the folder. Open the folder. Here, open the folder. And well, open the folder like this way. So that's the open the folder. Okay. So now you will see. We just choose this folder, and well, it will output like this way. There's nothing, but you can new file. This is a new folder, so we always use these tools. So first, new file. New file index dot html. So you just new file HTML file. So like this way here. So today's our focus is on the web page design. So do not need the Java knowledges. Just you should understand what's the Tomcat, what's the web pages. So it's the basic of design a website. So we new index HTML, new index. Here. Then so this is one thing. Another thing is that new file, file named index dot html. So why we use the index because by the default the index.html is the index is the first page of your web page. Okay, so this is the index.html. Okay, then just like this way. Well, be patient. I'm sure you will think it's very interesting things. Okay, so that's the basic things. New. Well, now you will see the miracle. Why we chose use index? You say you just type. We call this character. We call the emotion mark. Maybe so you say. Here is emotion mark, and it will give you promote so promotion or something. You can say you just choose this way, double click. Okay, so why so much? So that's the miracle. It's very interesting. You see, well, I show you again. You should say it carefully, just like magical things. Well, first I type emotion mark, and then I chose the first. Maybe this. So this is only one. This is only, but I need lots. I want more, so you choose this way. Well, I'll show you here. You just type. Well, you just type things like this way. Okay, so that's and type and input emotion input okay mark input a mark. So it's last like this way, you should see it here, and you choose it. Then you got you got the codes, the code. Okay, here. Well, let's see the first thing. So I just since all of you are very good at English, so you can understand it easily. So this is a document type, HTML, and this style is a standard of the HTML5 version. 5 we always ensure the HTML file. Well, so this is a language. This is language things, and this is a Unicode. So that's can including lots of different countries, different culture characters. So we call it the UTF, short line 8, and so this is the metal things. Metal things means that you can add some more extra things like the search engine, like the content area or something. So that's the metal. That's the metal things, and this is your title. You can see. Well, my first page, my first web page, and wow, maybe like this way, wow. Okay, so it's wow. So English. English this way. Wow. Okay, that's very wonderful things. Okay, so that says wow. Well, show your name. Maybe here. You can type the head one. There is head one. So why we use a Visual Studio Code, VS Code. So this is here, and my name. You can well. Okay, wow. We can maybe this is my name, 马老师. So my name is not Ma Lao Si. Lao Si is just the teacher in China. So show your maybe some a little polite or respectful or something. We call the people who know something who can teach us. We always call him or her Lao Si. Yeah. So it's in not in the university, in the campus, in every area, you can call anything. You can call anybody the 老师 Okay, so this is me. Well, you can save it. You see here is a dot circle dot. You just save it. Save it. Here is save. Control S. Control S. Well, then I'll show you how we see the results in our browser. Here is Tomcat, and I type this way demo. This is a photo, and here, well, just open it. Okay, because we have in short index.html. Since this is by default, so you can we can ignore it. So that's the same thing. That's the same. You delete it. That's the same thing. Here is wow Ma Lao Si. Okay, so you can show. Well, this is HTML. Well, we can write something, maybe the center things, and I want to let something in center. Here is the center, and also you can give we call it the horizontal line, horizontal row or something. So like this way. Refresh it. You see here, wow, 马老师. Okay, so that's the thing. That's the thing. I hope you can understand it. Can I hope you understand it? Have you any question? Or can you understand this? Can you understand this? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Well, let's do something a little interesting things. We add a image, add an image, add an image. So then we create a new photo. New photo we call give a imagine. Imagine like this way. So imagine here give a imagine. So and here is a new file, and then we give another. So new photo name named imaging in demo. Okay, so like this way, and then I will copy. Well, so let's try some movie star. So I don't know what's a movie star you like. Movie star. MOVIE. So movie star, that's yeah. So okay, so this is Wuhan. Search Wuhan. Luhan. Okay, Luhan. Oh, you like this way? They like Luhan. Okay, that's so. Oh, you like so many. Well, that's yeah. Everybody love so many, because we can. It's beautiful, handsome, and something. Well, so we piece. Maybe this rules for you. Okay, this for you. So okay, we just snapshot it. So this is a picture. It's a picture, and then we save this picture. And save this picture. Maybe use a JPEG. So this is a picture's type. You can use any. Always we use a JPEG or PNG, and then we save this picture to our demo. September today. So let me find this. Okay, yeah, where is it? Here. Tomcat. So this is our web apps and the root, and this is today 9 and the image, and we change the name. So since this is Luhan, okay, Luhan. Okay, so this way, and here, and then we show this picture in our page. So how we choose this page? Well, so now you can see this is Wuhan. Then you can write something. You can write something. My lover, I don't know, in dream. So something like this, and then you give next line, and then we show this in image or picture, and here the grammar and we call it the source. In short, source. So you just type it. Since this is the image, so we can img here and choose this. So this way, and also you can give something maybe width equal something This is in pixel, so maybe like the 400, and the height, the height equals maybe 300. Then the Ctrl S, save it. Well, let's show it. This is our page. This is our refresh it. So this is my lava in Dream. This is my lava in Dream. Okay. Okay, it's your lava, not my lava. Okay, okay, so this is my lava, and also you can give some others, maybe like the attribute 2. So this is another text, header text. Then Ctrl S, and refresh it. So here, so that is a very basic things of a HTML file. So if you want to know more, if you can surf on the internet to see some things. Well, I'll show you another thing is that the hyperlink. So I think the HTML you should know some basic things. So one thing is show a picture. So this is one thing. Show a picture. Picture. So show a picture in web page. So like this photo, like this code. So this is one thing. So this is one thing. And another is so that is the result. That's the result. So this is the result. Another is that we add a link. So another we call it the hyperlink. So add a hyperlink. On web page. On this web page. Since you have mentioned you have lots of maybe lots of levels in Dream, so we can add add more. So add more is here. My favorite my levels, and also we can more, and you can give something maybe like this way, and so NBSP. That means a space, and so one space, another space, and then we give we call this one is the maybe actually 3. So we give a hyperlink, hyper reference equals another things, and then we so the sharp mark means itself. This will be itself. We just write this is maybe the more levels of my Dream. So something like this, and then we contrast, and then we see it here, refresh. Okay, so the more levels of my Dreams. Well, this is doesn't means NBSP. Well, let me see why it haven't. NBSP. Okay. It should be NB. Oh, I'm sorry. I should give this way NBSP and NB sp here. That means a space. And then here is the more levels. Well, we just not need this here. Something. See it something like this. So here, more levels of my dreams. More levels of my dreams. So type it. So there's not so much, and then here the h2, so we can type this way. So refresh it like this way. More levels on my dream. Well, then we create another. Maybe we create another new file. New file means more levels. More levels of .html. So here, more levels, and also you can type emotion mark here, and we just type this way. More levels, more levels of my dream. So we contrast it. Then we add the link. We add the link here. Should give the link more equals more here. Well, should this should you can put it so like this way. You should know the hierarchy of the photo. So this is index, this is more, and then we type this way. Here is the give the target the more levels here, more levels. Then Ctrl S, save it. Then we try again. Here is more levels of my dream. So this is more levels of my dream. This is back. So and then you can give the more levels also a link. Maybe here. You can give the home, back home, or just the home, or go back. Or always we just type the home, the home page. So home page. So something like this, and we can give a link. So link always use very useful, very useful. We call this is a World Wide Web. So World Wide Web, we use the hyperlink connecting all of the pictures, the resources on the internet. So a half, href equals something your index dot html, and then give it, and here include it the home page. So then we save it, Ctrl S. Then we refresh. You see home page and more levels, home page, more levels. So this way. So that is the basic of the things. Well, we give more levels. Well, since this is lots of things, so you can add a subfolder. Like we new a folder again. That means levels. So levels. Then you can put lots of things. Well, we choose others. And So we download other levels picture. Here we try again. Since you like Luhan, maybe the other things are things we maybe guys like this way. The also a beautiful woman. If you like it or not, I don't know. So we try find one. Okay, so which one do you like? Maybe type. Okay, we choose one. Anyway, here is others. Yes, and when we give a short name, a snapshot here. Then we save it. Save it to this is maybe your or my levels. We save it. Save it JPEG, and this is levels, and we give the name the deliverable. Deliverable. Okay. This is then we give the more levels. Here. This way more levels, and we want to make it maybe a little beautiful, maybe a little arrangement. So we can use others. We can maybe like we can use a table. We can use a table. So this is a table things, and then we can give a row. So this is a table row, and then we can give a table date, and then we give another table date. So this is one thing. One thing is the imagine and the src equals. So now you should know this is imagine and still have sub photos the delete bar. So we choose a double quote. Here the imagine the levels the delete bar, and here. Okay, so this is one thing, and this you can give a border. Maybe this is one. I'll show you. Well, now let's. This is a table things. Well, we refresh it. Here. Refresh it. So this is the more homepage and more levels. And also you can give other levels. Give other. Well, we choose others. We choose others. We choose well, we give others. Give others maybe the same or same thing about the Luhan. Well, in China we call this is fresh meat. I don't know how to say in English fresh meat. Okay, fresh meat. So others maybe others we call the TF boys. Yeah, maybe your young girls like it. Here, this is fresh meat. Okay, yeah. So, Wang Yuan. This way. Rai Wang. ROI. Okay. This Roy Wang. Okay, let's check. This way. Okay, this way. This one. Down. This way. This way. This. Oh, okay. This way. Okay. Sure. Then we can save it. We can save it. We can save us. Oh, this is save us. Save us to our photos. To our photos. Let me check. Come here, Apache and web app root. Imagine was well raw one. Okay, raw one, and save it. Save it, and then we add this. So add another. The same thing. Just copy it, and give it. So that is raw one. And then we save this page, and refresh it, refresh. So refresh here. This is raw one. Well, you can add the width and the height. So make it the same width and height. So we can give it here and here, and save it and refresh again. So like this way, and this is home page. Is more lava my dream. So you can add lots of things, just like this way. Just like also you can center it or something. Should give this the center the center things. The center things here. So refresh it. So this is my love was a dream. My love was a dream. Here, save it. Refresh. So like this way, home page, and more. Okay. So that is basic things. What we call the HTML. HTML. So for our this week tasks, you just create a website, create a web page. You can create one or more. This is up to you. So here is our task. Here is our task. So tasks. This is one thing. Here. So this is tasks. So install a tool named Visual Studio Code, and install a run Tomcat, and design a web page of your resume or something. Well, now let's discuss other things. So here is HTML, and then we add something about the class file. Yeah, sure, of course, I will show you. Upload on the Baidu net disk. Another we call it the CSS. CSS. So if we want to give a background color of this web page, so we can use the CSS. Well, now let's design others. New photo named Imagine, and here open the folder. Another is new photo named CSS. New photo name named CSS. Named CSS. Okay. Then we create a new folder named CSS file. Here, create. You see, this is imagine. You just choose this way and create a CSS, and then we give new file, named maybe the demo. We call it the demo 9.css. .css here. Here is the CSS things. And then we can use how you should the body something, the body, and give a big what quotation. Braces, big braces, and then we give a background color. Background color, background. So we can background color here. We can choose any color, Maybe we choose anything. I don't know. We give a deep sky blue something here, deep sky black. Then we save it. Ctrl S, save it. And so that is one thing. You issue the new so new photo and the new CSS file named. Well, the name you can give any name. You can give maybe the A.css, B.css, any name. For me, I just since they give it. They do not need to make it the same or make them the same. So it's just you can understand or you can know what it means. So that's a CSS like this way. And then we should add this CSS to our web page. Well, so if you do, you can type. Let me see. Check something. So HTML something. So there is a study website. Website means the WC school. So we can use the CSS something like this. Link something. Okay. Well, so let me write it. So at our index things, you should give the head here since the link. So link, and then the reference will style so style sheet, and also the type, type like the text and the CSS, and also should give a half. So a half, and choose our CSS file. So our CSS file is here, this way, demo. Then we save it. That means we want our web page follow some style that defined in this CSS file. Then we refresh it here, refresh it, you see the background has changed. So this is the CSS files. The background file have changed, and this is haven't changed. So this is one thing. This is one thing. Another is there's lots of CSS things. There's lots of CSS things. Well, so this is the CSS means. Then we discuss others. If you want to see more, you can check. You can follow some study material. You just Google the HTML, the CSS. There's lots of handbooks you can follow. Well, another is we use JavaScript. The JavaScript. So the JavaScript is since we use. Well, let me see. Here we create a JavaScript. Java open a folder. Well, new folder. Then we create another. New folder. New folder. New folder named JS. Named JS. Well, JavaScript you can use lots of different methods to use it. Like you can put your JavaScript codes in a single JS files, or you just write in your web page. There's lots of ways. Well, we use the JS file things. So and name the JS and create and new JS file, files named maybe demo.js. Well, let's say JS file. Here create a new folder. Create a new folder named JS. And then we add a new file named demo. Demo98.js. So here is JS things. Well, how we write the JavaScript things? Well, let's check. And we define a function something. So this is a function, and give a name. The function maybe like the show message, something like this. So show message, and then we let me think. So alert something here. Here is the hello lovers, maybe something. My dream, something like this. Okay, so this is one thing. And then we save it. And how we call this function? Well, that's step by step. So this way we create a JavaScript things. Here. Then we add a button or something. So we give our HTML talk to me something. We can give maybe the input. So input and the type equals button, and then the value something. value is well, tell you my secret. Tell you my secret, and then we give a on click. So on click things should equals a function name. So here is our function name, show message. Or we can change it. So show secret. So secret. secret, maybe something. Okay, then save it. So this way. Well, we just try. Then we should add the well link. Well, let me see. Here. Okay. Okay. Then we should type. Well, there are lots of things I do not remember so much. Sometimes I just Google it. So we use to the see as HTML and the JS file, and Google it. Or HTML. Yeah, script. Yeah. Show. Well. Well, give me a little time. So, yeah. I'll check something. Body document. Well, so this is one thing. Another thing, and let me see. Well, I just want to use a single files that is the external single files. Well, okay, let me check. It's something like the link. Okay, the link. Well, it's like this way. We just put these things. Put here. Drag. If I can drag it. Oh, I'm sorry. Well, it's just a minute. Function display. You see, yeah, you are right. Script type and SRC, just like this way. This is a computer things. Computer things. So we sometimes, well, for me, I do not want to remember so much things. So just Google it, demo things. Okay, so then we should add this. Just a script. You are right. Thank you. So that means we try save it. You should say this as we will have save it, and then we refresh our page. So here is a tell you my secret. Well, let me see. Why it cannot work it? On click show secret, maybe something, and try again. You see here is hello lovers of my dream. Hello lovers. So this is just how we use it. Here is hello my dream. Like is a pop something. So that's the basic ways. If we delete this maybe also can work. So try again, refresh. So this is same thing. So that is the way call the function. Here. So now I have show you the very basic things of the three. So HTML, and sure, of course, I can send you class file, and the HTML and the HTML and the CSS and the JavaScript. So that's the things. Then we can design some things. If we can try, you can try the resume. So if we design a resume something, HTML resume templates. So there's lots of things. We try hello something. We should design. Okay, so this is a template, but this is a little complicated. We do not need so much. We see if there are simple things. So like this way. This is a resume things. So here is a picture, and here is his name. Here is engineering, and here give some icon, the emoji and something, and then here is a profile. Here is a skill. Here is appearance something. So we can try. To, and all others is some links. So here is example things. You can follow this. Well, we try to build this. So this is your task. I just show the beginning. Well, then we can give you a reference. So the task reference, like this way, I'll show you. This is a task. Or you can design others. So I give you this is the reference things here. Reference. References. So one thing is this way, and the here is like this way. Let's grasp it. The scroll things. Go. Okay, almost successfully. Well done. Come. Well, okay. So this is what I need. Okay, Control C. So you just follow this. See if you can design something like this way. So this is a resume, and if you design, then you can put it on the internet. You can apply for a free cloud machine, or a free cloud space or something, and then you can give an internet address, and your friends can visit it. This is a website. Well, we try to see. So first you see here is well, the background, and so I will introduce some very maybe a little more complicated things. We call it the div. So you should understand the div and CSS. So now I'll show you something about the div and CSS. Hi, the div and plus the CSS. So you can learn more. You can learn more. So first, what's a div? Div means the division. Division. So you should know the division. So right means division. So this way, that means an area. That means an area. Well, I'll show you. So now I design a new page. So we done the resume things here in our page. We design a new file named resume. Resume MUSE. I'm sorry, not resume. Let me check. Resume. Sometimes RESUME. Okay, RESUME. So this is just your homework, and if you can quit before the 5:30 this afternoon, that will be better. If you couldn't, you can put in after the class. So we rename this, rename it resume as resume.html. So that's the resume thing. Also, you can type the emotion file. So that's you can first. This is my resume. Well, so how do we write this? Here is this is my resume. Well, we give a link. We give a link to my resume. So here is another link. So this is my lovers in dream, and also we can just copy this, and maybe we can add something in this way here. NBSP. Okay. Then we give a link. href equals resume. So you should check the here resume resume. So we save it. So resume resume.html. Our course there's too much things. It's just like a dictionary. So the pronunciation. You can read any words in the dictionary. So I tell you how to use the JavaScript, the CSS, and the HTML, and the division div. So this is very basic things. If you want to design a very beautiful page, you need be patient, and spend the time and search lots of grammar things of web page design. Okay, so this is my resume. ESUME. So okay, resume SUME. Resume. So my resume, well, save it. Then we refresh it. Here is our page. Refresh it. So this is my resume. So this is my resume. Now we, yeah. Okay, so you are happy. Yeah, I heard your songs. Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Your laugh. This is my resume. This is my resume. This is tell you my secret. Okay. Well, it's not so beautiful. Well, it's a beginning. It's a beginner's web page. Well, because our class are not so much time. Well, then we follow this resume things. Here is the resume things. Let's try this page. Well, you see. So first the background. So we can design two div things. Two div things. Well, I just show you the files. So the first the resume things. Resume things. We do not need this. So we add CSS files here. So we add another CSS file. New file. The resume.css. So that's a resume CSS, and then we give our resume things. So like we boom the div. So this div, and we give the ID equals the maybe the up area up area. So up area area. Okay. So up area. So this is up area, and then we link this CSS files. So we just follow this way. Link this CSS file. Link this CSS file this way. Give it, and we should change the name because we use the resume CSS. Resume CSS files, and we save it. Then how we write this? The resume says. So here, we give a name. Name is up area. So up area here. So upper area, and we can give first we just try just background color background. So you just see if it works or not. So if it works, so sometimes you say here is the maybe the green. So you can use some things. If you want to very accurate, you just snapshot this and then use the drop things. So try, and double click. So that is the more color things here. You see here is the RGB 0, 105, 8, 89. So we can write this way. So here, this copy it, and try. We can try like give a sharp. Oh, not this way. Give a sharp here. Copy it. Paste it. So this one thing. So this is color things. Then we save it, and we try. We try to see our resume. Oh well, so it's seems a little so we check here. Okay, yeah, link, save it, and we refresh again. Well, so it's haven't work. Div up area. Yeah, this is up a area, and we can give a width width maybe 1%, and the height is maybe the 4px, and save it. Well, let's see why this cannot work. Area, well, save it again. So CSS, resume CSS, resume. Oh well, so that's a resume things. Resume CSS resume. Well, we can try. We can try. It's just like this way. Maybe we can save it. Then we give you. That means we just check. We just check the if we can link it, or if we write the wrong things. Then we refresh again. Okay, it worked. So see, this is things. It works, and then we delete it, and save it again. You see here is this way, and then we delete our resume things. Here, delete it. So this is way. Then we try again. So it's just like this way. And another, well, since the time, well, another thing is that you just follow this like this way. This is another DIY things. This is another DIY things. So another DIY, we can write another DIY, maybe the up down area something. This is a down area. So we give you down area. And also we write in our CSS file, not this resume CSS file, So we copy it. So this is down area, and we use another. This is width, and this is the height. So this maybe we can use the height 100%, and then you can give the z index. That means it's up, maybe 100. So this we change another color. Another color is for this. This is okay. This is a gray something. Gray. We give others. Gray means always the same thing. Maybe we can a something like this way. Then we save it, and then we refresh. Okay, it haven't worked. Down area, try resume things. Resume down area, and we see width, height. Well, maybe we can give the height. Not this way. Maybe the height is 8px, and save it. So refresh it. So something like this way. So this is another thing. And then you can in this area. You can give an imaging or something. Maybe here is information. Here maybe something the appearance. Expencers, or something like this. Then we refresh again. So like this way. So well, the next time you just try follow to design something. If you think this is a little harder or difficult, you just use design others any web pages, and then put a web pages picture in our WeChat group. So that's the next two classes you practice by yourself. So do you understand me? Anyone can give me a response? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So you just try to design this way or other pages like this. Well, I will upload some notes to the WeChat group, and I will give you the links. Okay. So it's your time. It's your time. Uh, well, so what I have talked have finished. Now you can practice by yourself. Anyone have any question? If you haven't, you just follow the tasks. Okay. Hi. Well, so you do your homework. Now you do your homework. And if you have any question, you just talk to me in this WeChat group. Okay. Thank you. Well, I will quit the meeting. Quit the meeting, and everybody, you just type your student ID. You type your student ID in the WeChat group, and at the 5:30, you put your homework in emerging if you have finished these tasks. Okay. Okay. Thank you. So see you.